Okay, everybody, welcome to week 2. I want to talk a little bit about how this week's going to work, what you're going to get done, and all of that stuff. So, week 2, your goals for this week, you're going to learn about something called CSS, which is going to help you add color and make your images look a certain way. It's going to add a lot of style to your website or web page. You're going to learn how to add images to a web page, so it's a little less boring. It's not just words. You're going to have some pictures in there. And then you're going to learn, last thing you're going to learn is how to connect things together with different links. Okay, so just like last week and every week, you're going to have an exit ticket each day. And then on Friday, you have all these different things due. That doesn't mean you should wait until Thursday to try and get all this done. You're going to need to spread this out over the weeks. And one of the things you're going to do is, for your first exit ticket, is make a plan. What are you going to get done Monday? What are you going to get done Tuesday? What are you going to get done Wednesday, Thursday, so that you've got everything done Friday. So just like before, you're going to learn about CSS. Okay. Remember the best way to do this is you want to have probably your code.org open. At the same time, you have this open, so you can flip back and forth. All right, on bubble 2, on lesson 6, bubble 2, let me go find that one. Lesson 6, bubble 2. Okay, I'm going to look at this. And then in my journal, I'm going to answer these questions. I also linked it here if you just want to click on that. And then remember in your journal, lesson 6, here's some questions for you to answer. So you can go ahead and just start right there, whatever you think the answer is. All right. This in lesson 6, this you're going to learn about CSS. This is going to be how you change the color, the font size, maybe add some special style like italics to some text. Okay, this is an example. You're going to work through bubbles 5, 6, and 7. This is an example of what it should look like when you get to bubble 7, how it could look. Green, blue, and then tiny words right there. There's a link if you need to see that picture bigger. Okay, I put some special videos in here. Don't forget to click on those. Those are me trying to give you some hints. And then at the end, you want to make sure you do bubble number 11 and click that. That's the one I'm going to check. And then answer your question, the key question in the journal, and add to any notes that you have. So, okay, what's the key question? How can we change the style of the text on a web page? You're going to type right there. And then don't forget in your notes, lesson 6 is not going to be HTML. You're going to go down to CSS and add anything you learned about down here. Okay, and this is for you to be able to go back to and reference later. Okay, let's go back to our document. Same format for lesson 7, except lesson 7 is a mini project. So bubbles 2 and 3 are going to do some practice. Then bubbles 4 and 5 you're going to create. And bubble 6, you're going to check it over. And make sure you click that link on that checklist, and that will tell you exactly what you need to do. And that's what I'm going to check. Then you're going to learn how to do images. Here's a video to sort of get you started. The key question, how do you add images? 4 and 5, it's just going to give you a chance to fix some stuff. So there's some mistakes. This is what it should look like when it works. And I made a link to each of those so you can see like, oh, if mine doesn't look like this, I still need to go back and fix it. Now, like every time if you get stuck, go ahead and put something in the chat. Like, it's not working. I don't understand this one. Can somebody help me out? And hopefully somebody can stop in and help you out. Okay, there's a video about how to get your own image. And then remember, don't forget to turn in number 8. I'm going to check that one. Journal, answer the key question, and add to your notes. So your notes on this one, it's going to be HTML. So you're going to add to your notes there and journal about lesson 9. So it's the same thing for all the other stuff this week. The big difference is we're going to skip lesson 10 and do lesson 11. You're going to learn some more CSS there, same format. And then we're going to skip all the way to lesson 19 so you get to learn how to add in some links. Okay, hopefully this is helpful. Drop a question in the chat if you have any, if you're confused or you have any questions.